Hello, I am Steve. This is Hillary. We are from Fable Designs. Today we're going to show you how to safely remove a tungsten carbide ring and a black ceramic carbide ring while it is on the finger. Alright, this is a solid ring. Put it in the vise. Easy peasy. You ready for the ceramic carbide? Not wide enough? Okay. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Thank you. They are safe to remove.